Hello guys, hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Civil Engineering Basic Knowledge. Please make sure to subscribe, like, share, comments and press the bell icon for the more updates. Guys, today session I just designed a laundry with these dimensions. Let's start this tutorials. Guys, I just designed the laundry here, and I implemented already here, and with this dimension and sizes. uh, I designed this laundry in a SketchUp Pro 2D and 3D model, and I constructed the same laundry. Let's start and discuss furthermore. Guys, and the overall length of this laundry is 300 centimeter or 3 meters. This I've provided a window here with 60 centimeter by 60 centimeter the window. This is the cloth washing machine 2D shape. This is also cloth washing machine, full automatic machine, and the width of the laundry is 150 or 1.5 meters. Guys, I provided a door here 110 or 100 centimeter door here, and this corner 30 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter. This is a 2D plan for the laundry. This jump onto 3D module. Guys, I'm module this laundry 3 SketchUp Pro. This is the window. This is the PC concrete part or PCC concrete, 10 centimeter height of this concrete, and this is inside this our laundry. This is our 3D module for washing machine. See, inside this laundry we place two washing machine. You see this is a roofing steel roof sheet. I made this laundry from wood materials, and now all sides just this is our window. You can see inside also machines, everything from here. Guys, we press this zoom extent. This comes in the normal size. This is a trick. If we zoom in, we can just press the zoom extent, then it comes bring it to the normal size, and time saving also. This is our design, and this is with the door. Guys, this is same laundry, but I provided a door. You can view, you can see, looks very good. See, inside that's the laundry. We can see that everything here. Guys, I can see from here I want to make a section from this side by pressing the section plane. I click here in this wall. Now I OK and choose move tool and drag it inside. Now guys, you can see very clearly our inside view of the laundry. The height of this laundry is 3 meters. This is the steel roofing sheet. This is our door. From here we cut it. Now I can see module inside a module. In control Z again, for example, I want to just cut this side of the laundry. I want to see through this section and press the here move tool, and I want to drag it. Now I can see the view. Guys, I want to see cut section plane from this side. Okay, move tool. Now I can see the section. This is a washing machine, cut it, everything. This is the section, use of the section, very important and useful tool. If I cut a section from here and this wall, press OK, press move and drag inward and outward, we can see the view range here. If I just drag in a little more, then I can see very clearly. Guys, I show you some other view also here. This is our 2D view. See, you can see the 2D view with all dimensions. This is the 3D module, and this is also the 3D model. You can see clearly everything. Guys, this was the laundry design in SketchUp Pro. Please, if you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell icon, like, share as much as you can. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice time.